Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. We're at the end of our Decades of Makeup series and we are ending with my era, the 90s. All my fellow 90s babies comment below. I was so excited to get this choker. I will admit I had to go buy it from Target because I threw away all my fun chokers from when I was little because I really didn't think that was going to be a thing that came back in style, but here we are. Honestly, this is like kind of my style still. I love flannels. I love tying them around my waist. I love wearing them as a jacket. I just love flannels. Like I said, this is the last video of my Decades of Makeup series. So if you would like to learn how to get this 90s look right here, then keep on watching. Here we go. So I prime my eyes off camera using the Kimchi concealer and the powder from Kimchi. As always, I feel like I've done this in every video, so I didn't think you guys needed to see it again. But we're gonna start with the eyes, so let's zoom in and get going. Ooh, before we do it, I should probably show my reference. I'm going for like a Courtney Love inspired moment, so this is really what I'm going off of right here. Really, like, obviously we weren't contouring, highlighting in the 90s. Pretty like normal, plain, flat skin with a little bit of blush. It's mainly just eyeliner and a red lip, honestly. So it's probably gonna be a really fast look. But we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna do like a brown kind of all over. Well, you'll see in a second. But I'm using the I'm Feeling Sweet palette because it has amazing neutrals. This is like a really good, I highly recommend. Well, all of Kimchi's shadows are just beautiful, but this one's really nice if you're more of a neutral girl and you don't like bright colors. So I think I'll just start with this shade Butter. This one. Take that on this brush right here. It's dirty, but it's fine. And we're gonna put that all over the lid space. I really think this is gonna take like 2 seconds, but here we go. You also don't have to be very precise with this because we were a little messier when we did our makeup in the 90s. I say I was born in 94, so I wasn't like popping off really with makeup in the 90s, but I lived in the 90s, and 90s music is one of my favorites. So yeah, and there's some things I still really hold on to from the 90s, like this flannel I'm wearing. I wear this a lot still, in many different, around the hip, around the waist, you know, as like a jacket. I'm doing the whole thing. I never let the flannel go. I'll never let go. Okay, and then get into, yeah, this is gonna be like 2 seconds. Oh well. Gonna do the shade Buddy, a little more cool toned. I should keep this look pretty cool. Cool toned, not like cool. Take a more tapered brush with that same Buddy shade and just work it more right here. Okay, now that I have the brown on, we're already moving on to the liner. So I'm gonna do gel and then smoke it out with a black shadow. Yeah, the L'Oreal, you can't read that. This is the L'Oreal Infallible liner, and I'm gonna put that, just tight lining the top, and then we're gonna smudge it. I'm literally slapping it on, look how bad that is. Get a black shadow from the Two Queens, One Desert, the Soot Yourself color. I'm gonna take it on this flat brush and literally just, you smudgy smudge. See how this one's more diffused? I'm not joking, that's like pretty much it. So I'm gonna do my foundation and my eyebrows, and I'll be right back so we can do the under part of the eye and keep going. And we're back, we have our foundation on. As always, I'm going to put what I used for concealer, powder, foundation, all that good stuff down below in the description box. And let's finish off the eye look since it's pretty much almost done. I'm gonna take a MAC Kohl liner and tight line up and bottom. Top and bottom. And tight line the top and bottom. Okay, now that we've done that, we're gonna smoke out the bottom using the same brush that we used on the top and the same black shadow. Like, this is a really easy look. I'm gonna take the brown on this tiny brush, take the darker of the brown shades we used earlier and go under that again. Obviously false lashes weren't like a thing. I can't decide if I'm gonna put any on. I'm gonna curl my lashes and do mascara and then decide. I can't decide if I want to wear false lashes or not. So I'm gonna do blush and lips and then like reevaluate. Since it's nothing too crazy with blush, I think I'm just gonna really lightly tap on this Side Chick color from Trixie Cosmetics, very lightly, because she do be pigment. Okay, probably too much, but what else is new? So obviously the queen of red lips is the Red Scare from the Katya and Trixie Cosmetics collab. Such a perfect red. But I'm gonna line my lips not with red, which I know is weird. The red liner I have just like, it's not it. But I'm gonna use this like tan one from Urban Decay. I forgot how good that lip liner was. Dang, okay. You could honestly probably just do this or a brown. That would also be very 90s, but in staying in the Courtney Love moment, we need to do red. So I think I'm gonna add lashes. I'm gonna put them on and get into my little 90s outfit, and I'll be right back. And here's the final look. I love it so much. Honestly, this is so my style, like still. I rarely do like black liner all around my eye just because I'm more into making my eye look bigger, and this kind of makes it smaller, but I do love the way it makes my eye color look when I wear a smoky eye like this, and a red lip is always in style. And I kind of love just like the minimalist makeup that the 90s had. Like, this was awesome. I thought about doing like the blue and the, you know, shimmery, but we kind of already did that before with like the 70s, so I decided to go for this Courtney Love look today, and I am obsessed. I love it so much. I'm gonna have a great day walking around looking like this. This is the end of my Decades of Makeup series, and I just want to thank you guys so much for following along. This has been so much fun learning how to do all these different eras of makeup. If you've missed any of the videos, I have a playlist on my channel, so go ahead and watch. We did 60s, 70s, 80s, and we're concluding with the 90s. This 90s baby is so happy right now. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new content every Saturday, and I have a lot of fun videos planned for this channel. So please, please, please subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!